In the vast fabric of existence, a profound concept emerges: the universe's unwavering commitment to reclaiming the precious years we might have considered wasted. While the idea of cosmic restoration may initially seem surreal, it is deeply rooted in faith, spirituality, and personal growth. As we embark on this exploration, we delve into the realm of signs and signals, subtle yet discernible, offering glimpses into the universe's remarkable capacity to renew and rejuvenate our lives. This concept resonates with the Stoic philosophy, echoing the Stoic theme of resilience and empowerment. Let's journey through these signs, intertwined with complementary aspects of Stoicism and Stoic stories, fostering a sense of empowerment and unity within the Stoic philosophy. Sign 1. The healing touch. One of the most poignant signs of the universe's intent to restore seemingly lost years lies in the profound experience of healing and wholeness. Emotional wounds, often unseen but deeply felt, can impair physical vitality and overall well-being. Consider the story of Sarah, a woman burdened by a past filled with emotional scars. Guided by unseen hands, Sarah embarked on a journey of self-discovery, embracing the universe's power to restore. Through this process, she not only let go of pain, but experienced a remarkable shift in physical health. Sarah's story illustrates the universe's capacity to mend not only emotional wounds, but also to make one stronger and more vibrant. Sign 2. Abundance and unexpected blessings. Another unmistakable sign of the universe restoring lost years manifests in the experience of abundance and unexpected blessings. Financial prosperity is recognized as a form of the universe's benevolence, but it goes beyond material wealth. Unexpected blessings, whether in acts of kindness from strangers or opportunities from unexpected quarters, are evidence of the universe's intention to restore what may have been perceived as lost. Sign 3. Compassion unleashed. The overpowering desire to demonstrate kindness and compassion to those around you is another sign that the universe is actively engaged in restoring wasted years. This innate impulse to make the world a better place signifies a profound shift in character, where your heart becomes a conduit for divine love. Acts of kindness and selfless giving become a testament to the universe's intention to restore not only individual lives, but also communities. Sign 4. Inner strength in adversity. A pivotal sign of the universe's active involvement in restoration is the remarkable surge in inner strength and resilience in the face of life's challenges. This newfound fortitude equips individuals with determination to confront and surmount obstacles. The restoration process, accompanied by a rediscovery of life's purpose, empowers individuals to emerge stronger and more determined than before. Sign 5. Realignment with cosmic purpose. A profound realignment of one's will with the universe's ordained purpose is another indication of the restoration of seemingly wasted years. Choices and preferences align with the cosmic plan, bringing about a deep sense of joy and fulfillment. This alignment goes beyond material restitution, indicating a spiritual and existential transformation where one's essence becomes harmoniously attuned to the universe's grand design. Sign 6. Inner peace amidst chaos. The sense of inner peace permeating everyday life serves as a powerful indication that the universe is diligently working to restore lost years. This inner serenity, not dependent on external circumstances, provides assurance that everything is unfolding for one's highest good. It serves as a guiding light, reassuring individuals that the universe is intricately weaving the threads of destiny back together. Sign 7. Hunger for spiritual connection. The intensifying hunger for a deeper spiritual connection signifies the universe's active engagement in the restoration process. This thirst for divine knowledge and communion propels individuals toward a transformative journey of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Beyond religious affiliations, this heightened spiritual awareness recognizes the interconnectedness of all life and a deep reverence for the mysteries of the universe. Sign 8. Enhanced clarity of thought. Enhanced clarity of thought, as if a veil has been lifted, becomes another remarkable sign of the universe restoring seemingly wasted years. This newfound lucidity allows individuals to perceive life's journey with a deeper understanding of the universe's involvement. Setbacks and failures are viewed as stepping stones to future success, indicating not only restoration but also a tool for embracing the journey with renewed optimism. Sign 9. Tranquility and Restored Relationships. The final sign of the universe's restoration is the profound sense of tranquility that permeates life, coupled with the restoration of damaged relationships. The universe recognizes the significance of harmonious interactions with others, guiding individuals toward reconciliation and reconnection. This process delves deep into the heart of relationships, fostering understanding, empathy, and forgiveness. In conclusion, everyone's restoration journey is unique, and faith in the universe's ability to restore is a personal experience. Gratitude for the incredible works in one's life serves as a guiding light through this transformative journey. Stoicism, with its emphasis on resilience and empowerment, aligns seamlessly with these signs of restoration, providing a framework for individuals to navigate life's challenges with grace and purpose.